Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on pet supplies with Petco, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Petco website or download the Petco app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Browse through the categories to find the supplies you need. Check the weekly deals section for discounts on popular items. Sign up for the Petco loyalty program, Pals Rewards. Earn points on every purchase which can be redeemed for discounts. Look for coupons or promo codes on the website or app. Consider the option of purchasing items in bulk for added savings. Follow Petco on social media for exclusive promotions and giveaways. Take advantage of in-store clearance sections for additional savings. Research and compare prices with competitor stores to ensure you're getting the best deal. Utilize the Petco services option for grooming and training discounts. Check for seasonal sales events, like holiday sales or pet appreciation days. Use the Petco mobile app to access in-app deals while shopping. Sign up for Petco's email newsletter to stay informed about upcoming sales. Plan your purchases around these sales for maximum savings. Consider joining the AutoShip program for recurring discounts on essentials. Utilize clearance items and weekly promo codes in conjunction for extra savings. Remember to check return policies on discounted items. Keep track of your spending to better understand where you can save. With these strategies, you're on your way to saving on pet supplies at Petco. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.